John, we are rock and roll. It's all you.
Hi, I'm John Deere, and what I've been thinking about this year as we mark the 50th anniversary of the assassination of Martin Luther King is the night before he was killed. 50 years ago, April 3rd, 1968 in Memphis, part of his last words were, "It's no longer a choice between violence and nonviolence. It's nonviolence or non-existence." And here we are 50 years later, facing permanent war, racism, sexism, turning away immigrants, building prisons, not schools, preparing for nuclear war, total corporate greed, and hastening catastrophic climate change, that we are heading, almost choosing non-existence. But you and I are going to be the people for Dr. King who choose nonviolence. And this fall, in our September 15th to 23rd Campaign Nonviolence National Week of Action, we want 2,000 events across the country. And some of us are going to Washington, D.C. on September 21st. And on Saturday, September 22nd, we're going to march from the Dr. King statue in silence, total nonviolence, to the White House to engage in nonviolent direct action, as we say, against everything. War, racism, environmental destruction, nuclear weapons, poverty, corporate greed, and for the coming, as Dr. King envisioned, a culture of new nonviolence. I really invite you all to join us, to be part of the Campaign Nonviolence movement, and though things are really bad, to rise to the occasion in the spirit of our great holy prophet, Martin Luther King, to become the people he called us to be, the people God called us to be, the people of active, loving nonviolence. See you in D.C.